Start. Speaking in the State Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, while moving this demand, the Minister for Industries pointed out that the emphasis during the last 5 years had been on irrigation and agriculture. He also said that during the next 5 years, the emphasis would be on industries. We cannot minimize the importance of industries, though the main occupation of our people is agriculture. Agriculture will continue to be the main field of employment, but at the same time, industries will absorb a large number of people in urban areas. So, I welcome that the emphasis should be on increasing both large scale and small scale industries during the next 5 years. Then, basic industries and heavy industries have been reserved for the government. So, it is the duty of the government to see that large scale industries are started by them. I am glad that the government have decided to exploit the lignite resources in Neyveli. I would like to point out that this is necessary for the development of other industries. Coal is necessary for starting many industries. Many honorable members pointed out that an iron and steel industry should be established in our state. It is impossible to start an iron and steel industry unless we have coal. I therefore request that the government may take necessary steps to make the Neyveli Lignite project a success. Then we have a large number of consumer goods industries like textile and leather industries. I would like to ask how the handloom industry can grow if the price of yarn is very high. It is necessary to take steps to see that yarn is sold to the handloom weavers at a low price so that the handloom industry may effectively compete with the mill industry. For this purpose, I would suggest that we should reserve certain varieties of cloth exclusively for the handloom industry. This is necessary and I see no other way of solving this problem. Then, with regard to small and cottage industries, a board has been recently set up and the government of India have come forward with a contribution for the development of these industries. I am glad that a good beginning has been made in this direction. I would suggest to the minister that in respect of these industries, we must have a special board consisting of both technical and commercial men to advise the government in the development of these industries. So far as technical education is concerned, I think the government are doing very well. I am glad that a large number of polytechnics are being run in the state. I think the government are doing all that is required for improving technical education, but that is not enough. We need skilled workers and artisans also. I would like to point out that these people do not require much of education. It should be realized that unless we have skilled workers, it is not possible for these industries to thrive. So I would suggest that we should have a number of trade schools. Perhaps there should be one trade school in every taluk headquarters, impairing technical education and skilled and artisan courses to our young boys. I would also suggest that instruction in various courses should be imparted in all these trade schools. These boys should be made skilled workers and skilled artisans so that when a heavy industry comes into existence,